So it turns out that it wasn't the dog that they were actually after. Someone had hurt an elderly man, and I believe the suspect did get found and that the man was okay, but in an otherwise quiet neighborhood, this was certainly a shock. But anyway, life moves on, and it seems everything's fine, so let us continue.
Let's go. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
It's my dad. Check it out. Grandma and Grandpa's old home. This tornado ran through here.
Huh.
It was an EF1?
It was an EF2 here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Crazy. My dad said he's never seen anything like this wind-wise, damage-wise, and I guess it's just happened a few days ago before I got here. That's crazy. My uncle's band, Inquisitor, was down in the basement and she's all flooded. That uncle passed away a few years ago.
Well.
Yeah, my dad opened the fridge. It was not good. I had to get completely out of the house. This was the most disgusting smell in the world. Oh God. Oh, why did he open it? Down here in so long, it might be the last time I'm ever in this house, so now I have some memories to preserve it the way it was when I was here last. I used to come down here and play video games and watch movies with my uncles and my dad and visit every other summer for like a month. So I didn't grow up here. And with that, it had been a couple of days. I had spent some time with my family just in private, not recording, and I only had a few days left, so I hit the road and started heading for North Carolina to go visit my cat.
Got everybody thinking I'm gonna make it, gonna make it. The new day dawns, I'm going to light my fire flowing. The spark inside of me exploding out. I just got to do, gotta do it, gotta get it done, yeah, gotta do it, gotta get it done, yeah, gotta do it, gotta get it done, yeah, gotta work, gotta work, gotta work, gotta work.
I was just kind of thinking how cool it is that I literally just drove my house here and I can just work at a rest stop. And of course watch hashtag Save Stargate. I just happened to find a Walmart. Got the goods. I'm actually gonna go ahead and make rice, plug this guy in, and get the rice started. That way, while I'm driving, the AC will be on. It'll kind of like help with the moisture. And hopefully we make it to at least a little bit close to Knoxville tonight. I'm kind of taking the long way because I'm not using a GPS. I'm just driving. I'm on Highway 127. So I'm not very far into Ohio, actually. I think the Indiana border is still really close, like 10 miles away, I think, but Yeah, 32 miles a gallon. Pretty good. Especially considering there was a lot of stop and go in there. Probably would have been 33 otherwise. It's a 2003 Camry that has port injection, no direct injection. Car's gonna last forever. Check out my rice. Still nice and toasty. Colonel Sanders was born here? This place is awesome. No, I think it's only right we get some Kentucky Fried Chicken while we're in Kentucky. Guys, funny, I just ordered a... Ooh, hey, where are you going? I just ordered 2 chicken tenders from KFC. He rang it up, he's like, hold on, give me a second. So he like punches in some things again. He's like, wait, 3 tenders is cheaper than 2. And he was like telling his colleagues. I'm like, can you just charge me for 3 and give me 2? He's like, okay. Well, I mean, I just making chicken and rice, but let's just see what the KFC chicken in Kentucky tastes like. Pretty good. Good morning. It's like 7:30 in the morning and I have a 15-minute drive to Panera for coffee, and then I don't know where my sister lives exactly. She moved, so I gotta find that out. People park right next to me. I can't ever take the window covers down. Oh, so annoying. Why is it busy at 7:30? It's in the mountains. Great, someone's in that seat. That's so annoying. No one in there, but there's someone parked there. We'll go get a lookout before we go. I guess this one. I'm just chilling at this park. Forgot, like, actual homeless people are everywhere. So I know this might seem heretical that I'm getting Panera when I'm in somewhere like Asheville, North Carolina. The truth is, I don't like hippie coffee. I just don't like it. I don't like the taste of Americano nearly as much as drip coffee. I don't care if you're Italian and you think that's crazy. This tastes better to me. I just drink a black. I don't care. I haven't seen Osiris in over 2 months. My mother brought her, so. See my kitty cat. What you doing? Osiris? You miss me? You miss me?